Got one. Switch to the yum dang dang. Look at those carp just freaking out, dude. Holy crap. That's a young male, I'm pretty sure. I didn't see him spitting or anything, but pretty sure that's a young male. I think my yum ding ding should be good after that, because that wasn't a very big one. You feel me? So, the yum ding, let's let my weight down a little bit. But that was right off where those carp were. I was just trying to see if the carp might pick it up just for the hell of it. And when I pulled it off, I feel like I got another thump already. Yep. That's the second cast in a row. That's a bigger one. Not a whole lot bigger. But what was I saying about my yum ding ding? If I could land this son of a bitch. There we go, boat flip. It's a little fatter one. That might be a female, but if not, it's a nice male. That's 2 back-to-back casts, motherfucker. Dude, did he bend the shit out of my hook? Like, for real? Son? No. That's a nice chunker, nice bass. Everybody likes to catch them like that, right? So you go. There's the release.